Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore overly sharpened footage in Premiere Pro with Deblur, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Premiere Pro and create a new project. Import the overly sharpened footage into your project. Drag the footage onto the timeline. Select the clip you want to restore. Go to the Effects panel and search for Gaussian Blur. Drag the Gaussian Blur effect onto your clip in the timeline. In the Effect Controls panel, locate the Gaussian Blur effect. Increase the blurriness value slightly to see the effect. Adjust the blurriness until the footage appears softer but still retains detail. Next, search for the Unsharp Mask effect in the Effects panel. Drag the Unsharp Mask effect onto your clip. In the Effect Controls panel, adjust the amount value carefully. Set the radius to a lower value to help define edges without harshness. Adjust the threshold to minimize noise and halos. Continue tweaking both Gaussian Blur and Unsharp Mask until you achieve a natural look. Consider using the Lumetri Color panel for further adjustments if necessary. Use color correction tools to enhance the overall quality of the clip. Play back the footage to review the changes you've made. Make additional adjustments as needed until satisfied with the result. Once completed, export your project using your preferred settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.